Thank you so much for joining me today. I just wanted to ask you a few questions about your solar experience.
Super. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no problem. So, why did you go solar?
Well, I wanted to reduce the bills. And it may be popular nowadays to be green entirely, but that really wasn't so much my purpose in it as it was just so much to provide myself an ability to have a farm here on my property rather than depend on everything coming from outside my property. So for those two reasons, I wanted to be a little bit more self-sufficient and diminish my cost of living.
Perfect. Perfect. So, how would you say your experience has been so far with that?
It's been good. I've got an app, PV, I don't remember the app name, um, PV something, anyway, that I can just get on my phone with and check just PV Pro. That's the app. And I can just get on and just kind of read the quick stats to see, and I get notifications. And I don't know if you can see that
Oh,
so
yeah.
much,
Yeah.
but that's nice to have. Um, Now that's just because I got the Soul Arc inverter though, that I got PV Pro app, and then I can get online as well and see what my solar farm is doing a little bit more in depth online. But I think those are some really handy things that I've gotten out of choosing this particular system. Um, and Green Home Systems has been great to talk with. And it just,
Awesome.
yeah, it's really been nice from the get-go. I don't remember the first gal's name that I talked with, but she set me up and introduced me to Itai. And then I was talking with Adib there for a bit. Adib, I don't believe he's any longer with the company, but still on good terms, as I understand. They see each other quite a bit, Itai tells me. And then Matt and Itai, they've just been wonderful. Any problems, they bend over backwards. It's just been great.
That's amazing. I love to hear that. So, would you recommend anyone to go with Green Home Systems?
I sure would. Most definitely.
Perfect. Perfect. All right. Well, I really appreciate your time today. I think you did an amazing testimonial, and I think you certainly inspired many others to go solar.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.